watching. Today, Evan and I are headed over to one of our old fire departments to pick up 2 old fire trucks that had been donated to the South Carolina Firefighters Association. We're going to pick up these trucks and carry them down to Winsboro, down to Fairfield County, I think, and store them down there. But one is like a I think it's a 46 Seagrave ladder truck. The other one is a 1951 Ford pumper. The ladder truck was actually still running when I started my career at the fire service. I remember driving this truck around and working the ladder. It was drivable, but we did not use it on calls. The 1951 used to be a fire engine. It was out at the state prison in Sumter County, and the Sumter Fire Department, we mostly Mike Beard, JT Coursey, and a couple other guys, but they stripped the trucks down, repainted them. Woody Newman, he did a lot of mechanical work on them. We used them for parade trucks and unfortunately a few funerals. We're going to get these things down to Winsboro for the Firefighters Association, and they're going to use them for the same things, but they're going to do all the maintenance and upkeep on them now. So we'll be right back with you in just a minute. Get them loaded up, get them down there for them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's see if she'll crank up. Do you want to drive it up there, Chief?
I can.
Yeah, but they went back and bolted all that stuff up, so we didn't have to worry about it bouncing off or
The only thing we got to get is
the net, right? Yes, sir.
there's nothing dry part,
Yeah, if you, I'm sure she wanted some pictures of you in that thing. And she wanted to ride in it too, so maybe I need to video both of y'all. No, it's just an automatic.
Oh, it is automatic.
Here, let me grab my glue out of here.
Wow.
You want to get in there, Miss Ashley?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
You pull up there by my truck.
My truck.
You know how to... Chief, you might as well cut the light on too. I said you might as well cut your light on too. Pretty old truck, isn't it?
Yes, sir. That's pretty cool.
Who's that?
Guy for parts for the
Oh, had that old truck I towed. Yes, sir. All right, drop it down. Hey, you want to steer it?
Yes, sir.
And let me. Sir?
Straighten up.
Yeah, you can go back that other way a little bit now. Go back that way.
Forward, that's good.
That's good. All right, straighten up now.
Straight.
Come back to me again. All right, straight. Cut it hard this way, Evan. All right, straighten them up. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right. Okay, put it in park and cut it off. Hey, there's a battery switch under the seat. Yes, it's in.
Perco right there.
It's about halfway down.
Right.
Yeah, that's it, right there. 2 times. That's it. Oh, right there. That should be it. Pull on that winch cable. You got enough to reach there now?
Right here.
Just get them snug till we get chains on the back.
The little truck in gear, that thing don't want to come down.
Yeah, you got to pull up on it, get to pick up on it.
Pick up.
Yes, sir.
You can bring it down here to put it on?
Yes, sir.
Just pick up over the loop.
Yeah, just pick up like this and pull it down. You need me to hook that side too, Evan? You just go around the axle, make sure you ain't got the brake line.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yeah, I can do it. Get under there.
That's right.
That's good enough?
Yes, sir.
That one, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. That's gonna have to be that one.
Take your tail here and pull right there, and that'll help take some of the slack out of it.
Right. Oh, okay.
Screw it out of it a bit.
What year is this?
46, I think.
Wow. That's
this truck, yep, go ahead.
That's what I'm telling you.
Don't tell the number on
Pretty snug, and then we'll catch them all on the front end. Push your handle up on the inside and lay it down. Even if you, yeah.
a little bit good hands.
You've done this once or twice.
Yeah, a couple times. Huh?
Listen, I ran out.
You fine? You tight, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You just had a lot of slack in your chain when you started.
I started biting.
Yeah.
I didn't think I picked it up front of me.
Yeah, you should always pull it all the way clear. You're neutral on park, Chief? Pick up on it and push it all the way forward. There you go. Now leave it running right this second. I'm gonna have to shift it back in neutral in a second. Put it in neutral. On the trailer, the first part of the trailer, there's a little door about this long with a twist handle. On driver's side. Lock it down. here, Dino? I'm gonna tilt it just a little bit. Let me put a safety chain on it first, Dano. Throw one of them safety chains on the front. Will that other one go the same?
Yeah, there's a line on the front. There's a line on the front.
There he is.
What?
There ain't no-
there isn't. No, there ain't. There's not.
Oh, okay.
On the chain itself?
Yeah, just put it right in the middle of the chain. Because you got it in the chain, I mean, it's going to do that.
This is why I don't like these things. I always struggle with them.
Hey, we got to get that net out too. I just didn't want that chain to get into it. Go ahead and break the back ones loose. Huh?
I got the underside a little bit. Sorry about that. It's all the way out. I can't get it to come down.
Clear. Evan. Go ahead and crank it up and put it in neutral.
Okay.
And I'll let you down.
I thought it was like what do you call them? Spawners. With the
You
push
got it
button
neutral?
stuff.
You ready? Turn it that way a little bit. Take your foot off the brake. Huh? Yeah, put it in reverse. Come on back. All right, now I got you now. All right, straighten back up. Good over there. All right, hold your brakes. Aren't you free? Straight back. Chief, where you want to unload the other one?
What?
Where you want to unload the other one? Car coming. Yeah, we can unload it right there. Okay, good to go. Yes, sir. Hey, is that pickup truck? Need more?
Get it.
Okay, viewers, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and if you like our content and channel, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.